G-Tools have Kaizen foam sheets designed to give you a quick and easy way to achieve maximum tool organization and visual tool control in your storage space. This foam uses an easy peel technique that only requires a cutting blade and your fingers to create the shapes you need. The 30mm Kaizen foam sheets are made of 6 separate layers that have been especially engineered so the layers can be separated where you cut and leave a nice smooth finish at the layer removed. This is an easy DIY method to organize your tools and keep them in order, and to quickly observe any missing items. Plan the layout you want, place your tool on the foam and then use a utility knife or scalpel, cut around your tool, cut down by the 5mm layers to the depth you want. Then you simply use your fingers to press into the cut and slowly easy peel away the cut shape to remove the waste, and check the fit. Keep cutting until the recess is deep enough to hold the tool securely but shallow enough to grab easily. You can use the foam to hold any item you wish, tools, hobby items, collectibles, cameras etc. and anything that needs organizing. The dual color foam has a single layer of black on the top, or bottom if you turn it over, and other layers are red so when cut out, the color contrast is easily visible against the top covering layer, providing a very quick and easy reference for tool control.